Hi everyone, it's the 31st of January, last day of the month. I'm back with the weekend charts, a weekend analysis on stock indices, forex and commodities. It's Burak from Trading Channels. If you want to have a free trial, this is the link at tradingchannels.uk. Let's go ahead and start with the indices. ES S&P 500 E-mini contract. We were watching this channel, obviously a very accurate channel here. That now at the close, that's what I was a bit worried about for the bullish case. Just at the close, it just got uglier. You can see here the purple bottom band, which was extremely accurate. Look at this. Now this is breaking to the downside. So I'm expecting more selling on Monday, Tuesday, and it may even pull back all the way to 3,600 or even slightly lower. That's because the next support is the green one, which has held the previous two touches. You can see here, and we may get another touch. But we will have to watch what happens, and if it forms a nice bull flag or something, then we will be buying the next support and the breakout. So that's how it goes. Dow is exactly the same picture, very similar. At least the blue top band I thought is going to be tested. And you can see here, let me show you the daily chart. Alright, so no, this is a very long-term one. I'm not going to bother you with that, but I was hoping that the blue top band is going to be tested at the 32,000 level, but it is now breaking this support. You can see here last week or this week it bounced off this support, and now it's breaking to the downside, which is worrying for the short term. I'm not turning bearish before major supports break, but right now it looks like a corrective move, and we probably also even have a support like this that is also breaking to the downside. Do you see that? So let's put it in red. Okay, here that one is also breaking to the downside. Well, I didn't do it. Okay, yeah, this is also breaking to the downside, so this is now getting bearish for next week. And NASDAQ, similar story. You can see the blue support, which was holding very nicely, very accurately. The last three touches happened only this week. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 touches. Let's zoom in and see it better. And now you can see here the blue support all the way from November, and now this is a break to the downside. The next support potential is this green bottom band and the golden. So that level is here, to me, it looks like around 12,660, 600, 650, 60. Yeah, that's the level to watch for on Monday or Tuesday, and then we'll see what happens after that. But I would be expecting a bounce off this support. Russell is the only one that hasn't broken the support. You can see here the 4 touches on this blue resistance, 1 2 3 4, and 3 touches on the blue support. That is like an opening megaphone right now. But more importantly, the green one, okay, this green channel and its bottom band is holding so far. So, and Russell of course has been the strongest one lately in the last 2 or 3 months, and that's why it hasn't broken support. So maybe we see a bounce, but after that, if it breaks, then I would expect a sell-off to target this green bottom band at least. Okay, and that's around 1920, I guess. Yeah, 1950 actually, not 20. So that's where it may be pulling back. Footsie has always been the weakest link, and it hasn't proven otherwise. The red bull flag was broken to the downside. The backtest held, and you can see here since then it's been selling. The golden bottom band held for a while, but that's also now broken. Only the green bottom band is left as a strong, like potential strong support. If that one gets ignored, then I suspect it's going to come down all the way to the breakout level of this gray bull flag. So this was the breakout level which happened in November. It may come back all the way to that level to backtest it, that level. But if it comes down all the way to the gray top band, that is almost the previous low. So I would be doubtful it would get all the way here. But if the green bottom band doesn't hold, then it's going to come here, I believe, to at least fill this gap here at yeah, 5,900. That may be in the books. DAX here, the green support is the line in the sand. So the golden one and the red one, they are both looking like bull flags. But to me, looking at the US indices and everything, this both support, you know, the green one, the golden one, they may all break to the downside. But if the market changes its mind, then the red channel's top band break would of course be a nice long entry. And then the golden top band is also a bull flag. So red inside the golden, then it may rally again. So watch the green channel, and you can see here there's a large gap back from November, and that may get filled if the green support gives way. So commodities, let's start with, as usual, oil. Oil has been consolidating within the golden sideways channel. That is like a bull flag right now. There is a triple support, okay, at just above 51, I think. So it's here. I'm going to tell you the level. Let's look at the level. The level is around 51.60 right now. So the green, yeah, the blue, and if the golden wants to be tested again, which would be under the green and the blue, but we can allow that, that would be 51.50-ish. So around 5100, 51 handle, there is strong support in my opinion. So if this support holds, then there is probably going to be a very strong rally to break this golden bull flag. That has been a very definitive, a very accurate bull flag, and of course if it's broken, then it's going to be a long signal for me. Natgas has stayed within the green potential channel. Its internals are really good, but I think it needs to get to here to confirm and come here and bounce. Nonetheless, I still think natgas has more downside. That's because of this golden long-term channel, which I will show you now. Okay, this here, this golden long-term downtrend is still on, and break off this blue support would make it dive to around 2 level, around 2 handle. So that's it. Gold and of course silver, they are the ones that is in everyone's mind what they are up to. So this green support hasn't been very accurate. Last week's open, and did this when the market were very thin 2 weeks ago, and this here is a violation of that support, so we can basically delete this one. So far it hasn't been very accurate. What has happened though is that the blue interim support held twice, okay, and the blue top band was broken last week or this week, and now it's back testing it. Obviously it's not as accurate as I would have liked it, but it is still okay. But for the moment, gold has to bounce and rally from here to keep this breakout. You know, this was the double-decker kind of channel, and then we may see more upside from gold. The imperfect red channel is a bull flag. I'm saying imperfect because of these lines standing out. It is what it is. We have to live with it, but so far it is a consolidation channel. It is a bull flag, and I believe it's going to be broken eventually. Silver, same picture, but silver already broke out of this, out of its red bull flag. You can see here, okay, this was the breakout. Then it came for a backtest of the level, not the red channel itself, but it backtested the breakout level here. So, and now this golden bull flag, following a bounce off the green support rail, this golden bull flag is now broken. So let's have a look at it closer. You can see this here, these internal lines are a bit skewed. So yeah, this here is a nice break out of this golden bull flag, and it's backtested now. It's getting backtested now. The critical resistance is the blue one, and here 3 touches on this resistance, and if it gets to the 4th touch and breaks it, then I would be obviously, you know, I'm long silver. I would relax, and I may even add to the silver long to get to new highs at 32, 35. That's the plan. And euro US dollar, the green channel was broken. This trend, green trend, was broken, and it's been back tested for the 3rd time. So it's kind of like I'm scratching my head what euro is up to. My ideal scenario would be that it tanks all the way to this blue support, okay, and let me call this one, so to make a distinction, let's make it golden, okay. This golden one was a bull flag, yeah, it was broken to the upside, so its back test would be at 120, and that would be a nice level to buy into euro again. We bought it right at this this breakout, and now if it comes here, and then I would expect a very strong bounce off 120. That is, of course, unless it breaks back into the blue channel, into the green channel by breaking the blue resistance. So it remains to be seen. On Monday, Tuesday, we'll have to be very, very careful with euro. Pound sterling, this here is the red potential channel. That is, I believe, the uptrend that is going to take pound all the way to 150. So far, this is the critical action, okay. This green resistance, which already has 3 touches, if pound does what she always does when she wants to go up, she rips everything. That's the signal to go long, okay. But there is a big but. If here there is a support and this support breaks before that, then I would suggest a move to the green bottom band, and then from there on maybe we'll see a big rally to start. So watch out for this green resistance and the blue support. They are perfectly accurate supports and resistances. Aussie dollar had, I thought this red channel would keep on rolling this and to new highs, but US dollar rallied and broke it down, and it then later on it back tested the red channel. This golden one is looking like a bull flag, but so far the consolidation is still on, so I'm not sure where this Aussie dollar can end up. I'll be watching all these supports and resistances. Kiwi, similar to Aussie dollar, when it bounced off here, I thought this golden channel will take it all the way to new highs, but then the US dollar got stronger. Now we are here. We may, I mean, if Kiwi gets back into the golden channel, then that would of course be looking very bullish. Even though it's a broken channel now, it has to break this, I think, blue's resistance rail, or I mean, it looks like a resistance so far. I'm not sure about it's not confirmed yet to me. Or if it dives again, this red support is still here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 back test. This may be the fourth back test, and I would be watching this back test very carefully. If it holds, then again we may have a big rally. Okay, have a good weekend, rest of the weekend. Keep in touch. Bye guys.